Welcome to Jennifer online training video. Jennifer have screens that can monitor application in real time. One of the screens is the user-defined dashboard. By using basic charts and components provided by Jennifer, we can create and choose a particular metric that we want to monitor our apps. At this moment, we'll learn how to make a user-defined dashboard and customize it as we want. User-defined dashboard screen can be accessed from the left navigation menu bar. After the screen is opened, we can see the list of the user-defined dashboard that has been created before. By default, the view screen is the View My Group. But, if the authority for viewing every user-defined dashboard for our user group is checked in the Group Function Privileges setting menu, we can also see all the screens that have been made by other user groups. We can perform a search to find a particular dashboard that we've created. We can also change the sorting order of the user-defined dashboard list. Then, by clicking on the three dots button, we can edit or delete an existing dashboard created. The dashboard editing screen is divided into the following parts shown by the numbers. First is the top area. This area allows you to rename the dashboard, save the dashboard, and delete an opened existing dashboard. The second is the setting area or the setup area, where we can select and add suitable charts for the performance data, add text, and add an URL to the editing area or the grid area. The third is the editing area or the grid area, where we can freely place charts selected from the setup menu on the right. To show an instance list at the top bar area of our dashboard, we can choose instance single or instance multi. And the fourth is additional functions such as import, export, and group setting. Let's try to create a new dashboard. To make a new dashboard, click on the Make button, and we'll be directed to the dashboard editing screen. First, choose the top bar option. To add a chart to the editing area, let's go to the setting area, click on the chart button from the setting area. Choose the General tab and fill in the chart name. Select targets to be shown by the chart. We can choose the target from the domain list, instance list, or business list. If the Synchronize Top Bar option is checked, the selection of the top bar will be synchronized with the selection of the chart. If synchronized, we can't select a target. Next, select the metric data from the metrics list. We can scroll the list and find the metric we want, or we can search for a particular metric and select it. Select a chart type, then click on the Insert Chart button. We can freely move and resize the chart in the editing area. To add a new chart, click on the empty space in the editing area and follow the steps before. To modify an existing chart, click on the chart in the editing area, then modify it in the setting area. After finishing, click on the Modify Chart button. The advanced charts provide an active service equalizer used to monitor the transaction currently being processed, an XView to see the status of the transaction that has been processed, and also an event chart that can help you understand the status of an event for each instance. Let's insert an XView and choose response time. Besides charts, we can also add text to the editing area. Click on the Text button, type the text in the empty field, set the font size, background and text color, and text alignment, then insert. We can also add an URL to the editing area. Click on the A Frame button and enter the address whose name starts with HTTP or HTTPS for a frame to be inserted. Before saving the dashboard, give it a name so that we can easily find our created dashboard. After finishing, click on the Save button. Whenever we want to see the dashboard that we created, we can access it from the User-Defined Dashboard menu. So, that was how to create a user-defined dashboard that Jennifer provides. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the upcoming videos.